Can you get there? Oh, there's Mama, I think. That's why she's been attacking Daisy. Can you get the other one?
Do I need to move the other one?
I would put the other one back in the nest too. Hopefully Mama doesn't come attacking. I'm watching her. Is it stuck in the wires?
No, it's coming.
Oh, here they come, Kelly.
I see them.
Ooh.
It's okay, baby.
Welcome to Hitchcock's the Bird. But see the fishing line?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, they're angry. Those don't look like mockingbirds.
They are.
Oh, they're raging.
Oh, don't jump out. Oh, dum-dum.
Where'd he go?
Oh.
Oh!
Come here, dummy. Get back in there.
They're like, we're learning to fly, bitch. Oh! Oh my goodness, you are feisty.
You are. Stay in there.